Hello, this is Corey Langford, and I'm reviewing my technology analysis for LTDE 5350, Emerging Technology. When this process was initially given to us, I immediately go to career and technical education classes. Being from a small rural community where we have lots of skilled laborers, those are tasks that a lot of our students see and aspire to be, which I make sure I reinforce that those are good jobs. It is okay to have a skilled labor job. We need people in the community to fill those positions because without them, others would not be able to survive. So my immediate response goes to my local community college. I have a friend there that teaches welding, and he talks about how he struggles keeping up with the amount of students entering the class and being able to get them through the class so they can go to work quickly. So my project is implementing virtual welding simulators into the current welding program. This project type is an enhancement, adding functionality to an existing report or application. The description. Despite the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, welding and similar jobs do not show a significant increase in the number of jobs. They report that over the next decade, jobs will open as the current workforce transitions to other occupations or retire. They are leaving an estimated 6,790 openings each year alone in Texas. With the need to train skilled workers, limited instructors, and space, implementing virtual welding simulators into the current welding program will increase the amount of certified skilled workers each year. The timeline. May of 2024, meet with Lincoln Electric representatives to determine feasibility of adding machines in our current workspace. Review implementation documentation and determine if adding equipment will benefit the college. Ensure welding curriculum can accommodate virtual reality machines. June 2024, submit for funds to purchase 4 machines. Order machines with expected delivery of equipment beginning July of 2024. July of 2024, receive and set up equipment. Receive training from Lincoln Electric representatives and adjust curriculum to account for virtual welding practice. August 2024, begin fall classes with mixed training using traditional and virtual welding equipment. Some of the benefits of this project. Implementing virtual reality welding equipment would allow the institution to double the number of students in the welding program. Students can also practice more welds in a single session than traditional methods and machines, leading to higher certification rates. Cost for consumables will be less compared to adding more conventional welding machines. The benefits also enhance the user interface, prevent and enforce standards, streamline complex processes, faculty and administrative staff will be impacted, students in a single department will be impacted. There are a few alternatives. The first being equipment from Miller Welding is also available for a similar cost, but does not offer the features VR Tech's equipment from Lincoln Electric has. Adding 8 additional welding machines would be cheaper to purchase up front, but the cost of consumables would outpace the cost of the virtual welders after a few years. Additional welding lab staff would also need to be hired to ensure welding lab safety. We could also recruit more welding instructors to add more sections of the class. But we would also need to hire, again, more lab staff to ensure safety. The costs of the project. The VR Tech's 360 Plus dual user virtual reality welding training simulator is $78,616. For 4 machines, that would be a total cost of $314,464. No additional materials are expected for setup. As I'm going through the proposal ratings, I believe this is a high benefit. This request will deliver any or all of the following: significant savings, significant productivity, significant improvement of processes, significant business and infrastructure opportunities. The cost, it is very expensive. It's going to be more than $50,000. The visibility on campus will be high impact. It will impact all users and constituents. Being in a industrial area needing lots of welders, this will impact many businesses in our community. The risk, there is minimal risk of disrupting university operations. Okay, well, I appreciate your time. Thank you for listening to my proposal in regards to adding virtual reality machines to our current welding program. Thank you.